What's up, guys? So Costco had the Sharper Image Power Plus. Now, I actually have two of these. Well, the original version. We got one on a road trip in Canada with our pup and brought it all the way back. These freaking things are awesome. This newer generation kind of has a different shape that could come in handy for certain activities. But the thing is, they're made lighter than the old one because the old one was a solid hunk of metal. I picked this up, so be sure to stick around for the review because the first one was our favorite massager, and we've got Theraguns and basically all of them. Now, if you wanted a little portable sauna, they had this guy. It's the Homedics brand. I don't know. I mean, it seems like it's cool to get into it, but it might be one of those things you don't use very often. This foot massager, though, I could see that coming in clutch. It had this cool little removable sleeve. It's nice and compact because a lot of times these things are pretty bulky, but this one really seems streamlined, just modern compared to other versions of this that have been out in the past. Really look like a good unit. Sharper Image usually makes good stuff. Now, this we picked up as well. They had a different towel warmer that was just a solid, big, chunky thing, but this thing collapses. So that is huge because we're not going to use it every day. We plan to use it for our spa, outdoor hot tub, just to warm up towels for that. So the rest of the time, the fact that it collapses, it's less than half of that size. Really clutch. If you need an air purifier in two different rooms or two different corners of the same room, this two pack for 80 bucks seemed like a good deal. They had a real classy look to them too. Now, if you're looking for a high-end air hair dryer, you got the Dyson or the Shark. They're both on sale. They're competing markets. Yeah, ask this woman about it. That's my wife. She picked me up this arm tray wooden armrest. Our couch that I did a review on does not have any kind of armrest, and it looks a lot like that. So this thing I've already used. It is freaking awesome. Highly recommend this. It was 18.99. If you want to unwind, kick your boots off, and then put some other little look how small these are. They're compression boots, and for 129, I don't think there any compression boots have been available for this cheap. They help with your circulation. They very similar to what they use in hospitals. But what's not similar to the hospital size TV is this freaking 100 inch. I missed a box. It was a thing. 100 inch TV. I have the Ember mug, which is freaking awesome, but the charging puck sucks on that thing. Like it never charges properly. I'm hoping this is better, and I'm really considering picking it up. I like that it has a display on it that shows you what the temperature is. It's USB-C charging. If it's New Year, New Me, starting early for you, they have this dumbbell set available for 349. Goes up to 210 pounds. I have something very similar from a few years back that I got at Costco. It's still working awesome. The tree which holds the weights looks like it's basically the same. I think they just rebranded them. The weights do look a little different though, the shape, but still for 349, they're not as cheap as they were, but it's 349 for 210-pound dumbbell set. If you want a little walking treadmill, 399. This thing folds in half, can slip it under the couch, under the bed. A lot of people put them by their standing desks to get some steps in while they're working their office job, or just relax and watch TV and get just kind of keep your mind busy. So um, while you're walking and everything. 349 is a pretty good deal. It really does fold down small, and it feels pretty quality for, considering the weight and price and everything. 399 for that guy. $40 for this cat tunnel. We actually have or tree. We actually have two of these. That one that you see, actually it's not there. That's weird. I went back. Oh, there it is. It's in the cart. I was gonna say I picked one up, which makes two now. The last one we got for $50, and our cats freaking loved it. So I went back and picked up another one. 40 bucks for this thing, it's gonna be hard to beat. If you needed something a little larger though, this Catify cat tree to the left of it for $94. That looked pretty good. But again, it's a much larger tree. It requires assembly. The other one was just, you know, put it in the cart and take it home. So depends what you're after, but for 94 bucks, that's a good deal too. Because these things, just like everything else, they're getting pricey. 94 and 99. If you wanted to check out what kind of outdoor birds you have flying around your neighborhood, this smart bird feeder with camera, and it's women-owned company too. We all love that. It's pretty neat because it has a solar panel on top of it that charges the camera and everything, connects via Wi-Fi. You fill it with bird seed, and then whatever bird or squirrel or whatever the heck it is comes up and eats off out of that seed dispenser, that camera is going to be triggered, and you'll get a notification that this came, whatever. 80 bucks. It's a lot cheaper than the name brand Birdify ones, which are like 300 ish dollars. This thing seemed pretty nice too. I like the wooden design on it. A little simpler. Kind of looks like it's homemade, but for $80, it kind of be hard to meet that. I don't know if it has a subscription though. Who knows? So for $28, this foam cushion is going to save your freaking butt. I have something very similar to this, the Type S version. In our RV, very long road trips, it kind of flares up my tailbone. I know, old man problems, but this cushion essentially sitting down on that makes those 5, 6, 7, 8 hour drives like literally straight other than bathroom breaks. Ah, they fly by. It's so much better. That's worth every penny. Another thing that's worth its weight in gold is this freaking chirp wheel. If you have ever tried a foam roller and enjoyed the benefits of that, imagine a foam roller times literally like 100. And they're small too. You see the size of them. It's just basically a foam roller cut down the center. It's made out of plastic, then it has this rubberized texture. That little groove your spine is basically going to go into, and you can kind of imagine what it does just by the look of it. It's oof, it's freaking awesome. They have a powered massager now too, that we also have. Look out for reviews on those. This is a good deal because it comes with that travel case to kind of keep them all organized, all for $80. It's kind of hard to beat that, to be honest with you. Good deal for sure. Chirp relief. Now, if you want a yoga mat, I mean, not too much to this, but the quality seemed really high for 20 bucks. They had a couple of different colors. Good to go. It has the little strap to hold it in place and everything. 20 bucks. Hard to beat that. This pie will never be beat, no matter what you're comparing it to. I've got a pretty large hand. It's about the size of a medium pizza, all for six freaking dollars, pre-baked, ready to go. Good luck. Good luck finding anything. Even I think this is a better deal than the hot dog or the rotisserie chicken, to be honest with you. $30 for these gift baskets. This was a Gary Deli one. Had a chocolate assortment and it came with a nice little tin. I liked it. If it's for a chocolate lover, just something a quick grab gift, I don't think it's good luck finding a better deal for 30 bucks. Also for 30 bucks, they had a kind of a different style. It's like this wooden lantern kind of style, a little more Christmassy, but it had an assortment of kind of, let's say, the more refined palates cookies. Just kind of international flavors, more of a artsy. You're not going to get as much, and it's not pure chocolate, obviously, but it's a cool little cookie bundle for $53. You can get this joyful double tier, 2 tiers of joy. Look at all that. Yeah, the cookies from around the world. Oh, there's some Ghirardelli there too. Got some fancy looking lollipops. Yeah, that's some good looking stuff there, actually. All that for 52 bucks. There's two of them. I wonder if you can split that. No, you just got one two-story house to give to someone. But this little smaller box here for $30, 31 bucks. That's a pretty good value. It's more of like a charcuterie kind of spreads and jams and jellies kind of gift box. So it really depends what you're after, but this comes with some pretty good stuff for that price, I thought. Because a lot of these items, when you add them up, it's probably, if you pay in regular retail price, probably going to cost more than the gift basket. Especially this, 10.89 for this guy. There's not a whole lot going on in there, but that deal on the bottom, I don't know what you do with it, to be honest with you. It looks like it should be a candle. It's probably a candle holder, but You get everything pre-made. It's bundled up and everything for 11 bucks. If you just need to grab a few of them for the office or stocking stuffers, whatever, that's not that bad of a deal for 11 bucks. If you want to spend a little more, 21.59, you got this. It's actual wooden box. Now, I got to admit this thing, it looks impressive, but exactly. When you flip it around, it's like, man, this thing's like actually very small. So it looks like there's a whole lot more going on. There is, but priced accordingly. There were a few different colors as well. If you need a humidifier for 65 bucks, this thing kind of looks cool because it's not just that clunky little box that everyone has sitting in the corner. It's got like a real streamlined modern shape. If you need something that's humidifying your space with entertainment. No, stupid. I don't know. Filling your place with entertainment. You got this 100 freaking inch Hisense TV for 14.99. This isn't just a big TV for cheap. It's a good big TV for cheap. There's a big difference. If you want something that's not as big but subjectively better, these OLEDs, 1250 for the 65 and 1800 for the 77. Believe it or not, that's a steal and a half. OLEDs have come down so much in price. A video I made a few years ago, a 77-inch OLED actually worse than this is way better, was $3,700, and that was a good deal. That was like a video from 2021 or 22, some I don't know, but not that long ago. So technology's getting cheaper in some regards, and there's proof. All right, so that's going to do it for this one. Until next time, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for lots more videos just like this. I do Costco hauls, Costco walkthroughs, DIY projects, a couple little this and that's in between. Stay tuned for lots more. Peace. I really don't know how this all works because I'm a boomer and all. Seems like a pretty good deal for $229. Huh, not bad.